Each year, Voces Oral History Center joins forces with the Center for Mexican American Studies to bring the power of oral histories to the work of a deserving scholar.
Hi, my name is Maggie Rivas Rodriguez. I'm the director of two centers at the University of Texas at Austin, the Center for Mexican American Studies and the Voces Oral History Center. Both of these centers have, for the past 3 years, pooled our resources so that we can help scholars advance their own work. We set up at a location and we do 2 days of interviews. This year the competition was won by a trio of researchers, Luisa Ornelas-June of Houston, Norma Cantú of Trinity University, and Olivia Mena of the University of Texas at Austin. So congratulations on getting this collaborative fellowship.
We're so happy about it. 95 is when we started, but it's still going. And now we're celebrating our 30th anniversary. It's amazing.
This trio of researchers will be going to the Macondo Writers Workshop in San Antonio, and they'll be doing interviews and spending the time researching and documenting the history of that workshop. The Macondo Writers Workshop was begun 30 years ago by Sandra Cisneros. The Macondo Writers Workshop has helped hundreds of writers shape their own work, and in turn, they have shaped the work of others.
And we're really excited about this 2025 anniversary year to really document the lives of our members and the work that they've done through their writing and through their activism to create social change and representation in literature and really make an impact on the American literary canon.
There are so few such spaces for Latinas and Latinos and people of color and people who write from the heart. You don't have to be Latina or Latino to be a member of Macondo, but you do have to write about social justice and con corazón y con conciencia.
Our writers are getting a little older, and some of them have died, and this is a great opportunity because they are in their 70s now to capture these memories right now. So getting this fellowship from CMAS and Voces at UT Austin is an amazing opportunity at this point in time because of the location and the opportunity that we have to get these writers together at this point in time.